Doctors Anna Clark, Christoph Lees, and Catriona Dickie from the Imperial College of London have teamed up with Volutracer Opus to build the Obstetric Ultrasound Foundation (OUF), an ensemble of 11 courses mapped to the Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynaecologists' basic US curriculum, consisting of theory videos, tutorials, guided exercises, tips and multiple choice questions focused on probe orientation, degrees of freedom, fetal heart, fetal line, femur length, abdominal circumference, head circumference, biparietal diameter, transverse cerebellar diameter, crown-rump length, placenta location, amniotic fluid index, and face profile. Reports on several short evaluations prove that the accuracy and confidence scores of the novice students were much higher after the Opus module's completion within just an hour. All professors agreed Volutracer Opus is a game changer in both basic and advanced training because it shortens the learning curve as the students start to scan in actual patients.